The inspiration for the pā actually, and why I've gone vertical, is to speak to or push the boundaries of what we consider a papakainga or a pā, but also to think about how we can better utilise our whenua. Some of the debates through the rangahau, I found that there was a struggle to go vertical purely because of the aspect of our connection to our whenua as Māori, and how important that is to touch the soil, to have your feet on the grass, and also to practice the likes of marakai, ahu whenua, all those sorts of practices we have intrinsic in our culture. But I guess how I've been able to mitigate, or my whakaaro and how we work with that, is one, going vertical was to minimise our footprint on our whenua, as there is a scarce resource of whenua today, especially within our Māori communities. But also going vertical allowed me to think of innovative ways to incorporate or to ensure that whānau was still having that connection to Taiao,